Hello guys, I hope you all had enough time to try to solve the exercise 3 by yourself. Anyway, today we will do it together and I will show you how you can solve this the best way. Okay, let's start with the first task. First, we should write a function. So we make here function. The name of it should be def int that we have from here. Then the parentheses. That's it. Then each function has here the end statement in the end. And so we have two given numbers. So we need here some arguments. We call it just num1 and num2. And these should be divided and we get a result. So we call the variable result is num1 divided by num2. And then we want to have the print of, we make another variable, we call it int num, and this should make here the integer of it. So we use our trunc function, which we learned last time. We want to have an integer. For this we use the integer 64 and we put in our result. And that we want to print then. So we make print line and we put in our int num. And that we can run now by calling here def int. We put in, for example, 1 divided by 3, 1 is number 1 and 2, that would be 0.5. We run here Julia exercise 3.jl. If we run this, we get 0 because it would be 0.5, and then we make the integer out of it, so it would be 0. If we do it the 2 by 2, it should be 1. Now we put in some float numbers, 3, 4, 5, divided by 2, for example, should still be 1, because we just want the integer result. Okay, so that was the solution for the first task. Then in our second task, first we should write a function. So function again, we call hello. And this function should print line. So once hello and print line world here, and that's it, end. Print line in 2 lines. We can run it again by just calling hello. If we run it, we have here hello world. Okay. Then we should write here in the second part a function called doubling. And this function should print 2 times hello world using the function defined before. So we go in and we just call 2 times the function from before. Hello, hello, and here we make a comment, and then we just call here doubling, make it here, and we see here hello world, okay. Then we should modify the hello function that it takes 2 arguments which are printed in 2 lines. Okay, then we have here message1, for example, and mess2. So it should here print mess1, instead of this, and here mess2. Then of course we have to put here in what we want to print. We want also be flexible here, so we put also here mess1 and mess2. These are not connected here, means these are own arguments. Mess1 and mess1. Here we have to put in both arguments, of course. What is happening here? Now in doubling we say, for example, our first message is have a, our second one, nice day. What we're doing here, we put have a here in and nice day here in mess2. This goes here in, and this again both goes here in, and then it gets printed here. That exactly will happen now. And you can see have a nice day, have a nice day. And that was already our third exercise. I hope it was clear for you. If you have some questions, don't hesitate to put it in the comments. I try to answer it all and explain it again. If I will also make a special video if it was too complicated for you, so that in the end everything is clear for you, especially in the beginning. Sometimes it's a bit difficult to understand it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so you don't miss the next video. And in the next video we will do something really cool, because we will download a package. A package is something that is programmed by someone else and we can use. There are a lot of useful functions in and a lot of useful code in, and that we will use to make some graphical interaction, and then you can see how powerful it is to use functions which you wrote by yourself, or in this case of the package we used from someone else. So don't miss this video, subscribe my channel, and see you next time. Until then, have fun. Bye guys.